Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to row. So if you want to create row, like in here I will create circle and set for the radius like into 10 point. Now to create a row, you can use leader tools, type leader, press enter, and then I will click at this point, move into here. Now you can press enter, enter again, and then choose none. So we create a row in this point. If you want to change size the arrow, you can select and then go to the properties, move to the lines and arrow. Like I will set for the arrow size like into 1 and the arrow will be small, make small. Okay, I will set like into 3 to make it bigger. And that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027 how to arrow.